Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another midweek night cap. Tonight's night cap, I'm going to show a little bit more on that clutch for the Myford lead screw. I've got some plasma cutting and I'm sure I've got something else stashed away, but I can't remember exactly what it is. Anyway, let's get stuck into it and see what we can have a look at tonight. There's two slots to machine in here, so I need to find the centre of it. And it's a 12mm slot on that side, 6mm wide and 4 on that side. I'll have to check on the drone. First thing is to pick the centre up. There's a few different ways of picking the centre up. You can just use a milling cutter and carefully bring it down until it just touches and puts a flat on. You know that's the centre. I prefer this method. What it appears you to do, if you have that running concentric in the chuck instead of running piss like that, idiot. Quite sure how I managed that. Right, that pad's going to touch in the centre. Looks a lot better now. We'll bring it in until it touches it. And it'll actually stop moving, it'll run through like that. Gently bring it in and it kicks off. Like that. Zero the axis at that. Down to the other side. Same again on this side. That's it there. So if we half that, I'm using a DR to do this. You can do it with the dials on the machine just as accurately. It just takes more time, that's all. Right, so that it's dead in the centre now, so we can lock off the axis at that. The slot diameter, or the slot width, 6mm. I'm going to do it with a 5mm first and then put the 6mm in to finish it. I'm going to bring the cutter in till it just touches. There. Zero the axis. And I'm just going to put a light cut on. Check on the drone, in for 12mm. This is really tough material, take me time. 11.5 and then we'll do the last little bit. 12mm. A little bit of protesting there, but it's done the job. That's 6mm dead on. It probably would have done it alright with a 6mm cutter going straight in, but it is quite a... the machine's not as rigged as it could be, so we've managed anyway, and there's no... you get no prizes for broken cutters, which is a shame because I've broke plenty of the bastard things. Right, I'm just going to do what... I'll leave the centre the same as it is now and just come round to the other side. Right, same on this side, except we need the slot to be 6.3mm deep. We'll touch it off there, set that at 0. This is the 5mm cutter once again. Into 6 points. Did the job. This is all set up on the centre, so we might as well leave it set up to drill this. And it's a 5 or 6mm hole drills and tap in there. So we know we're on the centre axis that way. Just got to find the centre of that. Right, we found the centre of that. I actually used the old-fashioned method, called the eyeball method. Right, centre drill first. I think it's a 4.2 was the tap and drill for 5mm. Debsy back with a T. It's fairly painless. A little bit of deburring now, and that's the 2 parts done. It might be nasty material to work with, but it does put a lovely finish on. Quite happy with that. once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you're looking at subscriptions now, I'm up to nearly 75,000. In fact, by the time this video becomes live, it should be 75,000, which is not a bad thing for a guy that just pisses about in a small garage. As I was saying, I really do appreciate you watching. All the comments, I appreciate them. I don't respond to them all, but I do read them all. A special thanks for everybody who's working, keeping the company running, keeping you all safe. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on Sunday night.